What if Earth wasn't the only place where oceans sparkle, where mountains rise and maybe, just maybe, life exists? Over the last few decades, astronomers have discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system. But how many of them are like Earth? Could we ever visit one? In this video, we're going to explore the most promising Earth-like planets, how far they are, when we discovered them, and how close we are to finding Earth 2.0. Let's dive into the stars. So first, what does Earth-like even mean? Scientists typically consider a planet Earth-like if it meets three key criteria. 1. It's rocky, not made of gas like Jupiter. 2. It orbits in the habitable zone, not too hot, not too cold where water could stay liquid. 3. It's about the same size and mass as Earth, ideally less than 2 times bigger. And of the 5,800 plus exoplanets we've found so far, only about 55 meet all 3 of these criteria. That's less than 1%. But still, that's 55 potential Earths. Welcome to Let's. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified on our new amazing videos. Let's take a galactic road trip and meet some of the most promising candidates. Discovered by European Southern Observatory 2016. Size 1.2 times bigger than Earth, which is the closest Earth-like planet. It's 20 times closer than the nearest known star system, Alpha Centauri. This is our cosmic neighbor. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a small red dwarf. While it's close, its host star is very active, blasting it with radiation. If it has a magnetic field or atmosphere, it might still be habitable. Kepler 186f, distance 500 light-years. Discovered by NASA in 2014. Size 1.1 times bigger than Earth. Star type, red dwarf. This was history, making the first Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone. Its sun is dimmer, so the planet might need a thicker atmosphere to stay warm. But it could have liquid water, and that's exciting. Kepler 452b, distance 1,400 light-years. Discovered by NASA in 2015. Size 1.6 times of Earth. Orbit 385-day year. Nicknamed Earth's older cousin, it orbits a sun-like star and gets just about the same amount of light we do. Scientists believe it could have an atmosphere and possibly clouds or water. Kepler 1649c, 300 light-years away. Discovered by NASA in 2020. Size 1.06 times bigger than Earth. Temperature very close to Earth. This one was almost missed. A reanalysis of Kepler's data uncovered it. It's almost the same size and temperature as Earth. Orbiting a red dwarf. TOI 700d, 100 light-years away. Discovered by NASA test in 2020. Size same as Earth. Star-quiet, stable red dwarf. TI 700d is a big deal. It was the first Earth-size habitable zone planet found by TESS. And its star isn't as active as Proxima's, making it a better candidate for life. Gliese 12b, 40 light-years away. Discovered by NASA and Japanese astronomers in 2024. It's Earth-sized. It's one of the few close-by planets with Earth-like potential. This is hot off the press, found in May 2024. It could be one of the most accessible Earth-like worlds for future exploration. But you might wonder, how do we detect a planet light-years away that we can't even see? There are 2 main techniques. Transit method, used by Kepler and TESS. It watches for tiny dips in a star's brightness when a planet crosses in front of it. It's like watching a flea pass in front of a light bulb, incredibly subtle. Radial velocity method, used by observatories like HARPS. It measures the tiny wobble in a star caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. Together, these methods have revealed thousands of planets and dozens of Earth-like ones. Could we ever visit them? Let's say we pick one. Could we go there? Unfortunately, with current technology, it would take over 75,000 years to reach even the closest one, Proxima b. But there's hope. Breakthrough Starshot. This project plans to send microscopic probes to Proxima b using laser-powered sails, traveling at 20% the speed of light. If successful, they could reach the planet in just 20 years. Imagine that. James Webb and future telescopes can also study these planets from far, analyzing their atmospheres for gases like oxygen, methane, or even chlorophyll. But why it all matters? Why are we doing all this? Why search for another Earth? First, curiosity, the desire to know if we're alone. Second, survival, Earth won't last forever. And third, perspective, knowing there are other Earths out there changes how we see this one. The more we look outward, the more we realize how precious our own planet is. We've only just begun to scratch the surface. With each discovery, we take one step closer to answering humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone? Could we live elsewhere? Is Earth just one of many homes in the universe? The search is on. If this video sparked your imagination, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which of these Earth-like planets would you want to visit first? Until next time, keep looking up.